Ruthless. This is Ruthless Cop Watcher here. 102nd Halsey with Bob, with my lady. We out here, so something going on here. Right there. Mike! So this guy, he told this motherfucker. So it turns out there's an alarm. So he broke that. Bob, he broke the door. Huh? He broke the door open. Hey! He broke that door open. He broke the door open at AT&T. Look at the door. It's all broken open. Where's Mike?
Around the corner.
So he broke that door open right there. So we're with Mike Blue here, but he's missing it all right now. Because he went the other way. You trying to smoke? Go ahead. So what, you're 21? Yeah, you're 21 and older. What the fuck? You guys can't have more than 8 on you at one time.
Not much. Remember him?
Yep. What time though? What time? So they're searching him right now. There he is. You missed it all.
They said they were running after him on the scanner?
Oh, no. Yeah, but he ran right here and they told him to sit down right here on the curb.
Okay, yeah. I didn't know. I was just trying to hit from a different side so we could pinch her.
Oh, yeah.
What's up, guys?
What's up, buddy?
Look, there's a canine.
They don't need canine now, do they? So, look, Mike, that whole window in the door is broken.
I see it.
He broke it all in there and got in there.
Okay, so he tried to smash and grab the...
But when we walked up, all he yelled was, "I was on the fucking payphone."
Right, there's a payphone in there.
I guess he's trying to get the payphone.
Well, yeah, you get paid to grab the handle on his phone.
Paying those ones?
Yeah. This is like a Samsung store or whatever.
I think it's 18. Oh, Sprint.
Sprint, yeah.
Sprint, yeah.
Store.
Oh, he smashed all that in there. He smashed some shit. He smashed some shit right there. So right here, there's some shit on the ground. Damn, why you do all that? That's gonna cost like $500. What's up, buddy? Why you calling my government name? For real? My girl's over there, she gonna call me my government name. God, they she'll think I'm snitching. You're gonna call me ruthless now. Oh, you broke all that. And he's right over here. Well, he's in a cop car now. You're not making it any better, damn it.
I'm not making it any better.
Why you say like that though? What's up, Randy? Like I disrespected you or something. You know we don't.
Disrespecting anybody, man.
You know we don't fight. We don't argue.
Definitely not arguing.
Oh, I am if you make me.
They just don't want you guys sneaking up on them. That's it.
Man, we don't. We're just YouTubers. That's all. We don't mean no harm.
You know what I want? It's like, I would love to have like universal hydration.
So he broke in here, and he's in custody. And that's it. We're at the Sprint store right here. And that's the end of that.
Yeah, that'd be good. I mean,
yeah.
just because you're a cop watcher doesn't mean you're not aware of everybody.
Yeah. But I mean, it might. Yeah, because he does good work.
He'll
He
be-
likes cussing cops out. He makes me look tame.
Don't care about Bob's channel. Just mine. No, I'm just playing. Go to Robert West. Like and subscribe.
Yeah,
But don't
so-
forget the man behind the camera. What? Let me see here.
Mr. Mikey Beaver.
Let me see. You ready? You ready?
What's up? This is my cop watching gang signs. It's like this.
What?
And like this and like. look,
Make sure you subscribe to his channel.
Yeah. Oh.
Yeah, I miss him driving down the street with his door open.
Who?
That cop right there.
Him right there?
Yeah.
The 270184?
Yeah.
I think they did it to like hit the guy with the car door.
No.
That would have been 20 points.
That would have not been 20 points. That would have been bad.
Stop! Fuck you, cop!
those-
Boom! They're like super troopers.
All of a sudden our cameras off.
Dude, 2015 Halloween night, dude. I filmed a guy dressed as Officer Dangle beat up a dude dressed as Superman.
What the fuck?
Yeah, dude. Fake handcuffs and short shorts and everything. Well, I didn't see the actual fight. I saw the aftermath, and Superman got all fucked up. His face was like, blood was just pouring down his face.
Yeah, in real life.
The
In real life, it
video is
wouldn't be
called,
like that.
Yeah. Real life Officer Dangle is like a re-edit I just did of it. It's fucking funny as shit, dude. But like, Dangle literally had little brown short shorts and the fake handcuffs and the whole outfit, the fucking sunglasses, everything.
He said
You see that shit?
that's a lot.
Infrared! Oh wait.
He said he was like that's a lot of pants. Well, it's cold outside.
That is a lot of pants, Phil. He had to, if that cop had to sleep outside, he had lots of pants on his ass too.
Oh yeah.
Oh, it's the alarm for the shipyard just went off.
I think that guy went pee-pee.
Come on. Oh, that's salt with a finger.
Salt with a deadly finger.
Shipyard Burlington, Washington.
There's a bunch of cop watchers mating all standing shoulder.
By the way, that was my lady right there. And she's upset. Gambling. She just walked away.
Figure that Puget Sound Naval Shipyard just up and moved away. Where do you think we are? We're in Oregon, the city of Portland, Oklahoma County. So, why are you talking about the shipyard? It's a place that hired me on, Shop 71, sandblasting tile set. Out of Burton, Washington, which is the Puget Sound Naval Shipyard.
Looks like he was telling the cops that he just wanted to use a payphone.
When he was sitting down on the
Curb.
as soon as he sat down on the curb, he was like, I just want to use a fucking payphone. That's all I heard. Something about a payphone.
Well, maybe this is a total mental illness thing, and he didn't know like what the hell's really happening here because he
Yeah.
seems way out of it, dude.
He does.
And he doesn't look drunk to me. I think he's maybe schizophrenic or just having some kind of real hard time mentally right now.
Yeah.
And position tile set.
Lee, how you doing? All right.
Damn, we just see you the other night. Keep running into each other. When we gonna go have some donuts or some dinner or something? Shit.
Are you flirting with Lee?
No. That would be bribing.
That'd be bribing. Yeah. You can't take it.
Lay, not Lee.
Lay. Lay. Okay. Well, no, I like figuring out how to pronounce stuff right, so I appreciate it.
I haven't seen you with them for a while, Mike.
Well, you know, I've been trying to like make my videos pretty and stay home and like actually try to produce crap and make it look good, and not like do a quality over quantity thing. But you'll see me more this summer.
He's trying to be like Dr. Dre and edit.
Here, you know.
Some of that season.
Yeah,
All right,
yeah.
gentlemen, have a good night.
All right,
Bye-bye.
we'll see you. So you guys switch cop cars and we're out.